What's up guys, it's your boy Loon here. Welcome to another video. Today I have a fun one for you guys. It's gonna be a 5-minute ab workout routine. How I'm gonna lay it out is I'm gonna be doing it with you guys. It's gonna be fully guided. And for all the beginners out there, I want you guys to do 1 to 2 rounds of this workout. And for anyone who's more advanced, I want you guys to try for 3 to 4 rounds, which means it'll be 15 to 20 minutes for the more advanced people. However, with this workout, you can get a bang for your buck with just 5 minutes. We're gonna go right in, knock it out, and get right to it. Let's switch the camera angle and let's get started. All right, so how this ab workout routine is gonna work, it's gonna be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. It's gonna be a HIIT routine, really quick, really efficient. We're gonna get it knocked out. And the first workout we're gonna do is high knees. Get ready, get set, 45 seconds, high knees, let's go. Come on guys, you got this. This is only the beginning. Pace yourself, make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're going as high as you can with your knees and keeping your core engaged. Finish out, guys. Last 5 seconds. All right, so 15 seconds rest, and then you're gonna get down on the ground. We're gonna do figure 8s with our legs, and I'll show you exactly how we're gonna do that. You're gonna put your legs right under your body, waiting for the timer to go. Keep your legs as straight as you can, and we're gonna go and make 8s. Let's go, let's start. Go at your own pace. Don't stop, guys. You guys got this. I know we all miss the gym right now. All right, finishing out, let's go. And rest. 15 seconds rest. Then we're gonna jump into Russian twist. So how you're gonna do a Russian twist here in a little bit is you're gonna pop up your legs, you're only on your butt, and keep your legs as straight as you can. The more you bend it, the more easier it goes. You're gonna go side to side. Let's start. 45 seconds, guys, we got this. This is gonna be targeting your obliques. Make sure you're touching each side on the ground. $15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest up, 15 seconds. All right, so the next workout we're gonna do is we're gonna be doing planks, and we're gonna go side to side. Unless you are a beginner and you can't do side to side, do regular planks. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. All right, so we're starting, get in plank position. Remember to keep your butt straight, not too far up, not too far down. For beginners, I want you guys to do just a plank like this. For more of the advanced people, I want you guys to go side to side with your body. Just like that. Here we go. Finish strong, guys, finish strong. We only got 2 more workouts, let's go. Last second here, and finish. 15 seconds to rest. All right, we got 2 more workouts to do. We're gonna do reverse crunches, okay? 45 seconds of reverse crunches. How you're gonna do a reverse crunch? You're gonna pop up your body. Ready, set, go. Just like that, okay? And if this is too hard for anyone, do regular crunches, okay? more workout after this, guys, come on. Last one. And rest for 15 seconds. Forgot to mention on those reverse crunches, I know I'm mentioning it after, but make sure you guys are using just your body to push up. All right, so on this last workout, we're gonna be doing lateral jumping burpees. It's gonna be a burnout. I'm already sweating. You guys should be sweating as well. Let's get it going and go. Make sure you're jumping as high as you can. Last 10 seconds. Come on, guys, you got this. And finish. Woo! I don't know if you guys are feeling it, but I am feeling good. Remember, guys, for all the beginners out there, stick to 1 to 2 rounds. As you get better, do more and more rounds. For the advanced folks, I expect a minimum of 2 rounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to stay tuned. Got a lot of content coming your way. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell. Catch you guys next time. Peace.
For the profits, ain't no way we break the code. Keep your pockets like the tropics, don't let rocks disrupt your flow. We was outside with no options, all we knew was get and go, but these haters